Back up, back up. Whoa. Whoa, dang. Hey, so look, check it out. Not only do we have this awesome clutch, we got this awesome clutch. This female's laying on her egg. She's way piled high. And let's see if I can get her out. Oh, a little big by myself. Well, I think I can do it. Oh man, she's so tall I can barely get her out. She's not a big female. She just piles so tall on those eggs. Whoa, 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 whoa. This could get ugly. Whoa, I told you it could get ugly. Okay, now what do I do? Whoa! Dang. Okay. Okay. Here, come on over. Go ahead and go underneath. Whoa, 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 hold on. You gotta stay underneath. Yep, this is gonna be one of those videos. You might as well share it right now. Oh, can't do that, huh? This can be one of those videos. Oh, yep, this can be one of those videos. Come on. Okay, so you got to take the whole box out. You know what I mean? And then I'm going to deal with her. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Okay, I kind of got this side. You're just going to go that shelf. Dang. Okay, that's it, that's it. That's it. Just get on the shelf. Oh, gosh. Okay, back up, back up, back up. Whoa. 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 Dang. Okay. This is a crazy one. Oh, yeah. Ninja. Okay. Go ahead around. Let's see if we can make this video. Whoa. See, this is funny. Whoa. I didn't think she'd strike because this isn't a very good target. Snakes like targets. That's why they like faces. This female is actually pretty mellow. Today, she's not very mellow. It's Sunday, man. It's Super Sunday. It's super duper Sunday. Relax. Okay. Whoa. Let's get you on there. Whoa. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So, what we got here are babies of the same kind of snake. Almost the same breeding, except this one we used a different male. Same mother. Actually, this one's not had albino. Whoa! Come on. Dang, I forgot my tools. You got a snake hook for me? Come on, girl. Whoa. Tool of the trade. I just thought, hey, it's Sunday. I shouldn't even be at work, but I'm at work. But I'm excited about being at work because I love work. And it's not every day you get to play with crazy cool snakes. This is one of our founder bloodlines of titanium. This is a snake that we were the first ones to make in the world. Whoa, whoa, come on, girl. Come on, I'm telling you a story. You gotta listen. You gotta calm down for a minute. And it's Sunday. Okay. No part of it. Are you on that other team? Oh, I get it. Okay. Well, I'm not used to you. You're okay. Okay. So, the cool part is I got a box for the eggs there. She's not going to have it. This actually has an infertile egg in it too. Whoop. Hello. Good morning, Vietnam. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Man, So, the good news is she'll get rid of this nervous energy. She's actually a tame snake. You would never know it, but then again, when somebody's going to take your eggs, being tame is not the first thing on your mind. Because typically she would spend 3 months protecting her eggs. Come on, girl. Here we go, okay. I think I had too much caffeine. Maybe she had too much caffeine. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Did you have too much caffeine, girl? Come on. Whoa, you're biting yourself. So, I pulled a lot of clutches from her before, and she's never acted like this. Maybe, just maybe, whoa, I can get it done. But I don't know. She's really wrapped around them. Am I going to get it before the end of this video? Whoa, come on. Come on. You aren't supposed to drink that much caffeine on Sunday. Oh, it really doesn't matter what day you drink too much caffeine. Oh, look at that. Look at that clutch of eggs. Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Look at the strength on that female. She is out there. Shoot. Good news is that just makes her more tired and less likely to think that anything bad's going to happen, and more likely to get back to her normal self, that knows that we're not here to hurt her. And we're here, really, she doesn't know, because I don't think she's smart enough to know, that we're here. Show it, girl. This is weird, because I've got to be a little careful. She's rolling an egg at the same time. I got to protect the eggs even from her, too. Okay, there you go. She's got herself tied in a knot practically. Come on. Come on. Here. You want to go that way? You want to go that way? What? You want to go that way? Whoa. No. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Check her out. Whoa. She is crazy cool. Look at that, guys. So that is a reticulated python. This is a platinum tiger titanium. And she just spent basically about 54 days, 56 days carrying these eggs. So these babies are already well started in those eggs. I want to make sure she doesn't roll any eggs around, because that's my job, is to protect the eggs at any cost, including if I bleed. But I'm not going to bleed in the making of this film, and she's not going to lose any teeth or get upset. Look at that. Wow, what a beautiful clutch of eggs. And this is a mystery dad a little bit, because the person who actually put the male in hasn't been around lately. So let's see. The good news is they're all fertile. Everything looks great. I'm going to take those eggs out while she's busy doing something else. She's going to come check them out. Look. Oh yeah, don't even look at me like that. I'm still on your team, bro. I'm still on your team. Yeah, I'm still on your team. Come on. So, if you own a reticulated python or any snake and you're gonna pull the eggs, don't do what I do. I know what I'm doing. Usually what you do is you grab them by the neck and just yank them off. And unfortunately, it's not the best for the eggs, and it's not the best for the mom. But at the end of the day, it's a lot safer for you. I've done this literally for 30 years. I'm gonna say 30 just so I don't make you guys know how old I really am. And luckily, over the years, I've learned that I can get away with different things that I normally can't get away with. And look at this clutch. How many eggs? How many eggs? Question I'm having for myself is, how many eggs do we got? 37. That's what I'm going to say, 37. Can I count to 37? That being an infertile egg right there, and when you squeeze it, it would be white, just like a fertile egg. See that? Ta-da! And all these eggs are going to continue growing in here for another 84 days, approximately. So that's 54 and 84. I don't even know what that number adds up to, but that's how many days these eggs actually take from the day of conception. And I say conception loosely because they can breed a month before that and just hold the two parts and combine them. Yeah, sperm, I know. Eggs, yeah, kind of crazy. So what do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, but I think I made a mistake. I guess the only person who's going to know that is you. I guess you're going to have to look really close at those. But no matter what you're doing, make sure you have fun doing it. Wake up tomorrow and even have a better day than you had today, whatever today is, good or bad. There's always a better day coming, I guarantee it. And bad news is there might be a worse day too. But anyway, hope you're living your dream. And you know what? We pulled that off. We'll get mom set back up, get her back on food. She'd normally be protecting these, like I say, for 84 more days without any food, possibly no water if she was in the wrong spot. And now they're going to be safe in an incubator at perfect temperature. And look what we get, like a baking show. Ta-da! We get baby snakes. And the eggs don't look so pretty right before they hatch, but look how beautiful the babies look. So these are all different colors of titanium, reticulated pythons, and these are all what you call morphs. And all these different colorations are all the same kind of snake. Just like you saw that mom, that was the same kind of snake as these, all reticulated pythons. and all these little babies coming out. And they, like I said, the eggs are soft and they keep going. And you know what? It's pretty cool. Have an awesome day, like I said. No matter what, make the best of whatever you do have. And keep living your dream. Peace out.